If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this trade on the USD JPY pair here on a short-term 5-minute binary option trade here. As you can see, I'm going to try and make the explanation simple for this one, but I do have to act fast to take profits here. So forgive me for that in case I stop mid-sentence to take profits, which I'm actually getting close to here. Once we cross over 80, I'll be looking to take profits. So we're steadily rising here. I think I'll go ahead and set my take profit for 80, and then we'll automatically, there we go, boom, just like that, guys. So in case you didn't know, I like to manually exit a lot of my trades, still using a limit order, but I like to hit it when it's ready. The smarter and most preferred way to do it, though, of course, is to enter your target profit as a limit order in advance, and then you can take profits there. So whenever you're trading on the 1 and 2 hour contracts, that can be useful as well, but primarily on these 5-minute contracts, guys, because they move so quick. By the time you click and you're trying to exit your contract, the actual market data underneath Nadex's platform may have already changed in the short term. So it may be showing you one price when realistically the market has already moved a second or two past that price, and it works likewise in the reverse. So just want to let you guys know that. So make sure you're using your limit orders, and most of the time go ahead and set it in advance if you are already confident. Well, not confident is the word, but if you already have a structured outline ready to go and you know exactly which number you want to exit at. Of course, unfortunately, they don't provide that same option for exiting a position at a loss, so you are going to have to manually exit your positions with a loss if you need to in the meantime. But anyways, not to get too far on a tangent there, guys, sorry about that. But basically what this trade was based on here is, as you can see, I have the 1-minute candles for the 5-minute contracts. That's a good rule of thumb, guys, to use 1/5 or 1/4 for your time signatures, meaning if you're going to be trading an hourly contract, a pretty useful measure for that would be the 15-minute contracts. 30-minute as well is also fine, but 15 and 5-minute candles are really good for the hourlies, so you can make a note of that if you want as well. But as you can see here, I just want to show you guys this. So look, we have a big increase in bearish volume, overall downward trend, as you can see, but we saw this long red candle breach and close beyond the Bollinger Bands, breach and close beyond the 30 mark on the RSI, as you can see. If it will let me drag, here we go. So you can see that there. So we are breaching on both. The volume has expended itself in the short term because we saw that big long wick move. We also saw the next candle, which is where we got in and got our profits and got out, all in one candle, guys, within a minute, just based off this downward momentum being unprecedented and not having enough weight to the move. Now that some time has set in, it will likely continue the downward move, or it could bounce, but that does not matter to us. We care about getting in on a short-term profit, in and out before the market has any time to think. And that is how you scalp out profits, especially on the 5-minute binaries where it's the Wild West out there. Those are very risky, which is primarily why we trade exclusively the 1 to 2 hour contracts in the shadow trading program. So we do not do 5-minute binaries regularly. This is me on my own time here, just showing a demonstration of how you can use the same strategies that I actually teach in the Informed Traders educational package in that video series, link in the description below. I teach that in that package. It can be applied to any time frame. So this is just me demonstrating it on the lower time frames here, just as an example. But If you want to learn more about how to find these trading scenarios with a higher probability for success, then go ahead and check out the links in the description below. As mentioned, one of them is our Informed Traders educational package, the other being the shadow trading program, where you can trade with me 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If that sounds like something interesting to you guys, then I encourage you to check it out. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you next time. Stay safe out there. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below, and let's start making this money together.